Hello guys, how to fix taskbar icons missing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In Windows 10, many users reported that Windows 11 taskbar icons are missing, not showing, while others claim that their taskbar is broken on Windows 11. This can be a major problem since you would not be able to access certain features with your mouse. Here are the fixes. Open Task Manager in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here under Process tab, look for Windows Explorer. Select it and choose the option Restart from top menu bar. Restart Windows Explorer processes to fix the issues taskbar icon not showing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The next workaround is install the latest update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update from the left pane and click on check for updates and be sure to install any missing updates. If any updates available,